Hi, welcome to our demo for Smart India Hackathon 2025. Our project Krishmitri AI is all-in-one AI-powered farming copilot. We are team innovators and our solution addresses a problem statement 25030 which is proposed by Higher Education of Jharkhand. So, our responsive application provides a seamless experience accessible on any device. As you can see, our homepage highlights the core functionalities. The journey begins on our crop advisory page. Unlike complex systems, we require only simple, farmer-friendly inputs. The user selects their soil type and can either manually enter or automatically retrieve environmental data. They also have the option to enter preferred crop, making the advice even more personalized. For ultimate ease of use, the farmer can simply click GPS location. A system automatically fetches their precise coordinates and use this data to retrieve real-time weather information and historical crop data from external APIs. This process eliminates the need of for any technical knowledge from the user. In just a few seconds, the dashboard generates hyper-personalized advice. Here you can see crop recommendation models such as the most suitable crop for a selected condition. Compared with Next, we demonstrate our AI disease detection model. A farmer can simply upload a photo of disease leaf, or CNN analyzes the image to instantly identify the disease. In this case, it accurately detects late blight. The system doesn't just identify the problem, it provides a solution. It displays the disease name, severity, and most importantly, provides immediate actionable treatment steps. Our government scheme hub is a centralized, easy to understand repository of government initiatives. Each scheme provides a link to its official websites, making it simple for farmers to access crucial financial and technical support. Conversational AI that answer farming queries in local languages. This feature acts as a 24 by 7 farming copilot, ensuring a farmer we access to expert advice whenever they need it. As you can see, our system can handle complex questions and provide a detailed, reliable answers. Thank you for watching our demo. Our app Krishmitri AI is a step toward a better future for farming in India.